Today we're diving into some crucial health tips, specifically designed for those of you over 50. You know that saying, age is just a number? Well, it's true. But like any good friend, I'm here to tell you that taking care of yourself becomes even more important as that number gets higher. Stay tuned to learn how to maintain your health and vitality as you age. We're talking about simple, practical advice you can use starting today to feel your best. All right, let's talk about health screenings. I know, it's not exactly the most thrilling topic, but trust me on this one, folks. Getting regular checkups is like changing the oil in your car. It keeps everything running smoothly. We're talking about catching potential issues early on, when they're much easier to manage. First up, blood pressure. High blood pressure is called a silent killer for a reason. You often don't feel it, but it can lead to serious problems like heart disease and stroke. Getting it checked regularly? That's key. Next, cholesterol. We all need some cholesterol, but too much of the bad kind can clog your arteries. A simple blood test can tell you where you stand and if you need to make any adjustments. And of course, we can't forget about cancer screenings. The recommendations for these vary depending on your age and family history, so talk to your doctor about what's right for you. Early detection is key when it comes to cancer, so don't put these screenings off. Now, I know some people avoid going to the doctor. Maybe you're busy, maybe you're anxious. But think of it this way. You wouldn't ignore a strange noise coming from your car, would you? Your health deserves the same attention. Remember, these screenings are not about scaring you, they're about empowering you to take control of your health. It's about getting peace of mind, knowing you're doing everything you can to stay healthy. And hey, if your doctor gives you a clean bill of health, that's a reason to celebrate. Let's talk about food, people. We all love a good meal, but as we get older, it's not just about what tastes good, it's about what fuels our bodies the right way. Think of it like this. You wouldn't put low-quality gas in a high-performance car, would you? Your body deserves premium fuel, too. So, what does a healthy diet over 50 look like? Well, it's all about balance. We want to focus on whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Fruits and veggies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. I know it sounds like a lot, but get creative. Add spinach to your smoothies, snack on bell peppers with hummus, or roast a big batch of veggies on the weekend. Lean proteins like fish, chicken, beans, and lentils are crucial for maintaining muscle mass, which naturally declines as we age. And don't forget about healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats support brain health, heart health, and even help keep your skin looking youthful. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up all your favorite treats. Life's too short for that. But moderation is key. Enjoy those indulgences in moderation and focus on nourishing your body with the good stuff most of the time. Remember, eating healthy shouldn't feel like a chore. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. And trust me, your body will thank you for it. All right, let's get moving. Exercise is truly the fountain of youth, my friends. And no, I'm not talking about running marathons or becoming a bodybuilder. We're talking about finding activities you enjoy and that fit into your lifestyle. The goal is to get at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. That might sound like a lot, but it's really just 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and you can break it up. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can make a difference. What kind of exercise should you do? Well, the best exercise is the one you'll actually do. If you love being outdoors, try brisk walking, hiking, or cycling. If you prefer something indoors, join a gym, try a dance class, or find a workout video online. The benefits of exercise are endless. It strengthens your heart, improves your balance and coordination, boosts your mood, helps you maintain a healthy weight, and so much more. Plus, it's a great way to socialize and meet new people. And hey, if you haven't been active in a while, start slowly. Listen to your body, don't overdo it, and celebrate those small victories. Every step you take is a step in the right direction. Let's talk about something really important, our mental health. We focus so much on physical well-being, which is crucial, but taking care of our minds is just as vital, especially as we navigate the different challenges that can come with aging. Life can throw curveballs at any age, and it's important to have healthy coping mechanisms to manage stress, anxiety, and even sadness. Remember, it's okay to not be okay all the time. Acknowledging your feelings is the first step to feeling better. So, what can we do? Well, there are so many simple yet powerful practices that can make a world of difference. Mindfulness meditation, for example, has been shown to reduce stress and improve focus. Even taking a few minutes each day to sit quietly, close your eyes, and pay attention to your breath can have a calming effect. Spending time in nature has also been linked to improved mental well-being. Take a walk in the park, sit by the lake, or simply step outside and breathe in the fresh air. Nature has a way of putting things in perspective and reminding us of the bigger picture. Connecting with loved ones is also crucial. Social interaction helps combat loneliness and isolation, which can have a negative impact on both our mental and physical health. Make time for friends and family, join a club or group activity, or volunteer in your community. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can make a world of difference. And remember, there's no shame in seeking professional help if you need it. Therapists and counselors are trained to provide support and guidance to help you navigate life's challenges. You wouldn't hesitate to see a doctor for a physical ailment, and mental health is just as important. We're social creatures, even if sometimes we like to think we're not. As we get older, maintaining strong social connections becomes even more important for our overall well-being. Think about it. Who do you call when you have good news to share? Who do you turn to when you need a shoulder to cry on? These relationships are invaluable. Staying socially connected can be as simple as making an effort to spend time with loved ones regularly. Schedule weekly dinners with family, plan movie nights with friends, or even just pick up the phone and call someone you haven't spoken to in a while. Joining community groups or clubs is another fantastic way to meet new people who share your interests. Whether you're passionate about gardening, photography, or playing cards, there's bound to be a group out there for you. Volunteering is another incredibly rewarding way to connect with others while making a difference in your community. Find a cause you're passionate about and dedicate some time each week or month to giving back. And remember, staying socially connected isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. Nurture the relationships that matter most to you, be present when you're with loved ones, and make an effort to really listen and connect on a deeper level. The bottom line is this: social connections make life richer, fuller, and more meaningful. So make an effort to cultivate those relationships and prioritize spending time with the people who matter most. Your heart, mind, and soul will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health advice. Remember, taking care of yourself isn't a chore, it's an investment in your future. By making small, sustainable changes in your daily life, you can live your healthiest and happiest life after 50. Stay healthy and see you next time.